Using the XRP price chart provided by the TradingView platform, Raoul Pal has provided a short-term forecast where investors are likely to make a 35% profit from. In today's video, we will provide Raoul Pal's XRP prediction for 2023 and his long-term projection, so stay tuned. Raoul is one of many people who have expressed their opinions on XRP since the SEC filed a court case claiming that XRP is a security. Soon, in the video, we will discuss Raoul's opinion about the lawsuit and the way forward. Raoul has actively provided unbiased opinions on nearly all major cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to Ethereum to XRP. He is qualified to do so because he has been an investor and manager in the finance industry for over 20 years and has gained extensive experience during that time.
Your resume is quite impressive.
Raoul recently shared his thoughts on XRP's future price movement, which got a lot of people talking because he's one of the best crypto analysts out there. It would be fair to call him the Warren Buffett of cryptocurrency, just that the real Warren Buffett doesn't like cryptocurrency. Using the XRP chart provided by the TradingView software to share his prediction, he explained that since the market capitulated in June, XRP has been trading sideways and has managed to stay within this parallel channel, something Bitcoin and Ethereum have not been able to do. Raoul used the price chart because it gives, in pictorial form, the current strength and weakness of the coin, a very effective way of predicting price. He stated that XRP appears to be preparing for another move, which he believes could present a good opportunity for a short-term trade. He also noted that the indicators on his chart do not appear to be particularly bullish or bearish on the daily time frame. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, indicator was at 37 and is still fighting the SMA, Simple Moving Average, indicator, and the MACD, Moving Average Convergence/Divergence. Indicator was gradually shifting towards a more bullish outlook, but it isn't there yet. He stated that he would usually wait for more confirmation from both the price and the indicators before entering a trade based on the information provided by the chart.
It's very wise.
This channel provides data-driven analysis of what is happening in the crypto ecosystem, which can take your trading to the next level. To ensure that you do not miss any of these videos, please subscribe to the channel to be notified when a video is posted. However, the price and indicators tell a different story when we look back at the weekly time frame. The RSI has risen since reaching an all-time low and is now bouncing off the SMA, which historically indicates that the uptrend will continue. The MACD has also begun to recover since its lows and is becoming more bullish by the week.
Oh, good news, buddy, good news.
Coupled with the fact that XRP was trading at $0.32, a significant point of support and resistance, he believes we are on the verge of a short medium-term bounce. He also stated that he has made a buy trade based on the information, with a risk/reward ratio of 4.66, and that this is a good trade, in his opinion. He stated that he had a price target of $0.42 to $0.44 and a stop loss of $0.30, and that the good thing about this trade is that it does not require leverage due to the potential 35% gain. The stop loss helps him to protect his capital and risk what he can afford to lose. As Ed Seykota says, risk not more than what you can afford to lose. Also risk big so that a win is meaningful. In terms of the long-term outlook, he stated that a settlement in the SEC Ripple case could occur at any time, and that, in the worst-case scenario, the lawsuit will be resolved by mid-2023.
Thank goodness!
If Ripple's outcome is positive, we may see all-time high tested. This is due to the fact that XRP was one of the top cryptocurrencies that did not see new all-time highs during the 2021 bull market. Furthermore, all the exchanges forced to delist XRP will be able to relist it, which means they'll have to buy a lot of XRP to provide liquidity for their customers to trade the asset. Furthermore, he stated that once the case is settled, a significant number of partnerships will be announced that had been held back due to the lawsuit, which would inevitably fuel the hype of XRP. This means there will be less XRP supply and more demand, resulting in a price explosion. We only need to go back to the end of 2017 to see how that looks. What about after the lawsuit is over? He believes XRP will reach $13, with stops at $11.06, $8.04, and $5.25. In conclusion, Raoul Pal is a great investor, no doubt about that, but remember to do your own research before making any financial decision. As Warren Buffett put it, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. In the video appearing on your screen, we've put together the top 3 Shiba Inu predictions for 2023, so check them out.